How many missing people ended up as bodies in the Parisian catacombs hidden there by their murderers? A recent discovery suggests that number is probably higher than we imagined. First, let's acknowledge what better place to hide a body than amongst 6 million relocated skeletons. Finding a murder victim would be like finding a needle in a haystack. But thanks to Ripperologist magazine issue 171, we can now infer that murderers have been hiding victims there since at least the 19th century. Nearly a decade of detailed research by Fabrice Bourlon saw that the Parisian torso murder of 1886 in Montrouge shared many of the same qualities of the MO of the Jack the Ripper murders. Thanks to his painstaking research, we can not only potentially tie this to the Jack the Ripper murders, but also the body was washed with phenol to eliminate the odor. The body was dismembered. But instead of being chopped into pieces roughly, it was as if the joints were disarticulated, as if they were rest apart, therefore leaving no marks on the bones. They would stack like any other limbs in the catacombs. It was then bound into 3 packages, each found in pretty public locations in Montrouge. One of these packages was thrown up on the embankments that we see here of the Petite Ceinture, the Little Belt Railway. Even today, the tunnels from this abandoned railway remain one of the best places to illegally enter the catacombs. And Mr. Bourlon is quick to point out that there had been a cave-in in this tunnel only the night before. I'd really recommend reading this. And for more about unsolved murders of Parisian sex workers in the 19th century, you see video 27. He actually never concluded that the body was meant to be hidden in amongst the catacombs. But this seems like a fair conclusion. Further, if it had only been 24 hours since the cave-in, how often was this murderer dumping bodies there? And is there any way to find out?